Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly how you can create a completely new work item type for your projects and workspaces in the Plane project management application. So let us dive into this. So guys, these work items are just another word for tasks or subtasks you may add to your to-do list in your projects and boards on Plane. So what you want to do is navigate to your workspace in the first step. After that, select the project, and as you can see here, if you click into work items, you will see my tasks listed here, guys. So what you want to do is simply navigate to your workspace settings. To do that, click into the gear icon in the bottom left corner, and inside your settings, navigate to projects. And after that, here under your project name, what you want to do is navigate to work item type. And here you will see all default work item types that are already created, which is usually the aforementioned tasks. You will see, you can tell by that small symbol here if you hover your mouse over it. So that's the only type or work item type that has already been created. If you'd like to create a new one, guys, you will need to click into this button here, assign a symbol here. You can go with, as you can see, they feature quite a lot of these symbols in their library. So let me go with that one here. Give it a name like, I don't know, let me go with, I don't know, I'm not being too creative, guys, sorry. Let me just name it subtask. And after that, describe it below and also click into this button here. And there you go. Now you, of course, will need to enable it first, because if you don't enable it here to the right, it will be set to disabled. So click into it, and after that, you may edit it by clicking into these three buttons, delete it. You may, for example, add custom properties to it, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.